What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is time for July 2023's Huntvault Elite subscription box, and you can see that this is a pretty big one. We are kind of late doing this one, but it is thanks to, once again, the infamous FedEx. But let's jump in and see what we got this month. Let's see if we can find a card here. All right, so first thing you're going to find whenever you open your box is a card with a bunch of featured brands on the front, and on the back will be a list of each item with a description and a price for each. So what we're going to do is start at our cheapest item, work our way up to our most expensive item, and see if this box was worth our 150 bucks. All right, so first item on our list is going to be the Cyclops Micro Black Hat Clip Light. Open this thing up, see what she does. So yeah, this thing is super small. It's got this little wire clip on the bottom of it there. And so what that's going to do is it will clip underneath your hat like that. You could clip it on top, or you could probably clip it on the bottom too. Yep, either way. And so a lot of hat lights are really big and bulky, way down your hat, and get in the way if you clip them underneath. But that seems to be small enough where it's not going to get in your way. For some reason I didn't have the cap put back on right. But anyway, this thing is not extremely bright, but it is bright enough that if it was dark, you could see where you're putting your feet. You know, say if you're climbing with climbing sticks, one sticking, climbing a ladder stand, or even using a climber, or if you just needed a little bit of light while you're walking into the woods, that thing is super small. You could just put it on your hat and forget about it. So pretty cool little thing to have. So they've got our black hat clip light listed for $10. All right, next up we've got Squatch Rope Hemp Fire Starter. I've seen these kinds of things advertised on like Facebook ads and stuff like that, but I think it was a different brand. It was black packaging. I think it's black something, but anyway, basically what this is a hemp rope, saturated with some type of accelerant. So let's see what it says. Windproof, waterproof, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. This fire starter rope is assembled in the US and made from all natural hemp. Wet, dry, warm, or cold, you'll have a bonfire in seconds. With a 101-year shelf life, you'll enjoy up to 50 fires from one rope. Basically, the instructions right here, it says peel, cut, ball, burn. Doesn't take much of this stuff to get you going. Pretty cool thing to have in your camping kit, or something great to have in your backpack. You know, if you go on these big long elk hunts where you're 10 miles in or something crazy like that and camping, you can use this to get your campfire started. So they have our Squatch Rope Hemp Fire Starter listed for $12, and that's going to put us at $22 so far. All right, so next up is going to be Birchwood Casey Sport Lock Silicone Gun Sleeve. So looks like a gun sock, and says it's 53 inches long by 4 inches wide, and obviously extremely flexible, so you'll be able to put this over a gun with a scope. So silicone impregnated for corrosion protection, 53 inches by 4 inches, ideal for most long guns. Flexible construction, contains one silicone long gun sleeve. So let's see what our description says. Gun socks are ideal for keeping unwanted dust, dirt, and moisture from damaging your firearm. Made from 100% polyester silicone. The sock protects against rust and any dings, scrapes, or bumps that might occur. So pretty cool. I mean, I've got a couple of these, but not real sure what polyester silicone is. So it's only 4 inches wide. Stretches out pretty good. Yeah. So That'll come in handy, like say turkey season. You know, you get done hunting, you just throw it in that sock right there, throw it in the back seat, and that should kind of suck some of that moisture out of your gun. So they've got our silicone gun sleeve listed for $12, and that's going to put us at $34 so far. So next up, we've got Juniper Mountain Trading Post Trail Boss Coffee. So I'm definitely not a morning person, so I need all the help I can get in the mornings. So coffee is my digs. Pretty cool packaging. Says it's a medium roast. This is ground coffee, not beans. 100% Arabica coffee. 12 ounces. Oh yeah. Made in the US of A. Says coffee without compromise. We roast coffee for those loyal to a lost way of life, those that never back down in the face of adversity, the ones that keep their word, treat people with respect, and still believe in the importance of hard work. We offer some of the best coffee in the world and look forward to earning a spot in your cup. Welcome to the Trading Post. So I love coffee, and I drink coffee every single morning. It doesn't matter if it's 100 degrees outside. I've got coffee. So let's see what their description says. Smooth, bold, and balanced. Trail Boss hits all the right notes. Its medium roast profile gives it the perfect parity between intense, bold flavor, a smooth body, and the right amount of caffeine to keep you focused and productive. So that's me, focused and productive. That's what I gotta be. So they've got our coffee listed for $16. That's gonna put us at $50 so far. So we are at our featured item of the month, and that is going to be the Hornady 2-gun keypad vault. Pretty pumped up about this one, as I am always pumped up for the featured item of the month. Yeah. Tear this bad boy open. So it's not extremely heavy, which I was expecting it to be really heavy. All right. So here we go. It's got some mounting holes on the bottom there. We got some keys. Let's use the key first. Did not expect that. All right, so very convenient size. You could probably mount this to the floor of your truck if you wanted to, or your bedside. It is just the right size to keep like 1 or 2 pistols, or you could put your pistol down here, a couple mags, put your wallet and maybe some cash or valuables up in there. So that is pretty awesome. This has got padding all the way around the inside, on top of the shelf in the middle and on the bottom, and it's even got some padding on the top and the sides, and it's even got it all the way on the back there. So that is pretty cool. You ain't got to worry about scratching nothing up. Closes pretty easily. Pretty sleek. Obviously I'm gonna have to put some cool stickers on here or something like that, but I've actually been needing something like this. So let's see what our description says. Keep guns and valuables close at hand and out of the wrong hands. Provides plenty of storage in a compact vault safe that fits on a nightstand, desk, shelf, or in your car. Features a programmable 4 to 6 digit keypad code ensuring optimum security, spring-loaded door, and interior light automatically illuminating when opening the safe. So, did not know there was a light in there. Huh, there certainly is a light in there, and it takes AAA, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we got some Duracells. Ha! And of course it takes 4, and I only got 2. So, I'll be right back. Pretty cool little tray, it kind of just slides down. I would pull the camera down and show you, but batteries operate a little doohickey up here. So we'll just push a button. You can see operates the whole keypad, as well as whenever you open it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There is a light right here. So that way, if you got stuff popping off at night and you need to pop this thing open, you can see what you're grabbing. So that is awesome. I'm not going to get into programming the keypad, plus I don't want you guys knowing my code, of course. So anyway, it comes with an owner's manual and a product catalog and some styrofoam. They're into that type of thing. So they have got our Hornady 2-gun keypad vault listed for $167. And that is going to put us at a total of $217 this month. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, head on over to huntvault.com. Check out their subscriptions. They start at $150 a month for an annual subscription and $160 a month for a month-to-month subscription. Make sure you check out their Facebook page. They're always running promotions for new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time in Rob's Man Cave.